Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you will be learn about what is jQuery. Let's begin the session. jQuery is a lightweight process. The objective is for the creation of the jQuery, write less, do more. Means by writing a single line of code, you can avail much more ready-made functionalities are there where you can avail of it and use the functionality of those libraries. So called it is JavaScript based library. The functionality of jQuery is to make it very much easy to use JavaScript on your website or web forms which you are having to developing using HTML program. jQuery library is having a lot of common tasks that require more lines of code of JavaScript to make it functional and wraps them to methods, and you can call it a single line of code from HTML page and use in very easy way. All you have to know is by sending the whenever you are trying to calling using a JavaScript to jQuery methods and the predefined library, you will make like a on key or on key event from the JavaScript and on change. Likewise, the document DOM objects you will call to the JavaScript by passing the ID of the HTML like entities. So called the jQuery library will be called and it will be invoked and it will be presenting the content at HTML form with a very beautifully and with a more functionality with the writing less codes even. And the jQuery library is have the following tasks: HTML and the DOM events handling, CSS activities, like a custom things we can do by using the jQuery UI, HTML event methods, animations and effects. You will have a number of libraries or different variations are available in jQuery. All you have to know, and we will cover more the libraries to how to use. Then you will get it from jQuery. It's absolutely free and open source. Once you are aware of it, how to use simple things, then you can applying the new things of your jQuery libraries and customizing yourself. It's a very make it is in a very simplifying in your hands. Ajax, asynchronized JavaScript and XML functionality, ready to use components. Why do you want to learn jQuery? It's a very popular nowadays. Most of the community users are using jQuery and sharing their script here. It will mostly compatible and works with different web browsers so that you can work very easily. jQuery is a lightweight footprint with a simple yet clever plugin architecture. And the jQuery is having vast number of plugin and great growth since the jQuery release. Its API is fully supported and documented like a line code of examples in line which the group of the JavaScript libraries. It is a very comfortable to use, which is a said to it provides all possible way to avoid conflicts with other JavaScript libraries as well. I hope you are most much familiar to know about jQuery. Will jumpstart to initiating and creating with the involving like our HTML forms to this jQuery very quickly. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.